Welcome to the project barn. Tonight we're going to start my Honda NX 125. I've done a few things to it. I've rejugged it, I put new exhaust on it, replaced the clutch, new chains, and new sprockets. I decided I was going to attempt to put a smaller rear sprocket and an even smaller sprocket than the 15 tooth it had on the front. So I've got a 12 tooth sprocket on the front end of this thing and a 48 tooth sprocket on the back. Somewhere around a 4:10 ratio for the gears in the final drive. All right, we pulled the choke, turned the ignition on. And there you have it. There's our Amazon exhaust routed around the outside and tack welded in. Notched the rear fender, what's left of it, and made an interesting little bike out of this little Honda with 1,000,000 miles on it. Here's our 48 tooth rear sprocket with a Japanese chain and our 12 tooth front sprocket. Stay tuned, because I'll probably be doing more with this little one while I attempt to heal up and get back to riding the RM 125.